For those of you playing at home, we're back again. It is rainy and miserable weather. It's cold. That's if you wonder why I haven't done a video, haven't done a little bit of a walkthrough of this one. It's just, it's almost not worth doing. Yeah. Oh well, it's one of those days. But if you're playing along at home, you'll notice that I have put this piece in. It's about there. That bit's in. That bit's in. I have made the inside of there and welded all that up. I have made a new outer piece and brazed it in where the factory did. And then, don't worry about this, that'll get sorted when that bit's done. But this at least finishes up, well, the bottom half of this B-pillar, and we got this to tackle shortly. Figure that one out as we go. But yes, this is mainly focused on the bottom section of here. So there we go. I also want to tack on to the end of this video. I've been screwing around with trying to do an intro from the channel, you know, make it look somewhat more interesting. I'd be curious to hear what people's feedback are. I mean, I'm not my editing skills are plainly obvious. They're shithouse. But yes, I'll do the best I can, try and make things interesting, and try and make everybody happy. But yeah, check this out. That's not too shit, eh? So, yeah, in total, we've had a piece through here, a piece through here, we've had a piece through here, which actually goes under that. We've had a piece yeah, so we had this off, cleaned up inside the very bottom of that, put that piece in, put this piece in, brazed it in the two spots, welded up the little holes that were there. They weren't that no showstoppers there, and there we go. The bottom fully metal. There is no filler in that. There is no spoon. There is no filler. So yeah, that's a little wrap up of this area. Stay tuned. Also, side note, I'll do a video shortly, but the BF Ute write-off has passed its Tier 3 flying colours, first time, not the first time, passed first go. Most people don't get through first go, but I seem to be lucky. Maybe because I don't do a shit job. Unfortunately, they're booked out for roadworthies, goes in on Monday for the roadworthy, which it should pass with flying colours. I mean, the Tier 3 is the inspection on the repairs, which make sure the parts are not stolen, the car's been repaired properly, all the welds are done correctly in the right spot, and all that stuff. If I was suggesting to somebody who wants to do a write-off, they're fun, they really are, but three things, piece of advice: buy the car from the auction yourself, buy new parts. Sure, second-hand parts are cheaper, but you have to have a lot of paperwork to go with it, because you've got to have VIN numbers for all the parts, where they come from, and the cars can't be stolen, so they check that shit. And 3, avoid cars with blown airbags, because that shit is expensive. Getting airbag checks is absolutely astronomical. You would not believe it, but it is. And all it is, they plug it in and print out a piece of paper. So, know how to milk the system, don't they? But yes, hope you're all enjoying the channel. Please like, share and subscribe, and we got 401 subscribers, so I'm tickled pink. I'm giggling like a schoolgirl. It's pretty good. I mean, most people are pretty happy with thousands. I'm happy with 400. It's pretty good to me. So thank you all. Keep sharing, keep subscribing.